Starting around 14 November 2023, Velo essentially is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very huge. Velo truly has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $21,714,605, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,273,551 in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of makes Velo really positioning at 624 in the digital money market, which in a real sense shows that this sort of makes Velo genuinely positioning at 624 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be certainly worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Velo a very wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part large manner? Will Velo cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which basically is genuinely critical? These truly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost by and large is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of $0.003, the normal essentially least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.003, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Additionally, Velo can arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.004, exhibiting how Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost generally is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.003. The normal especially least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0.003, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation November 2023, Velo cost by and large is supposed to basically reach between $0.003 to $0.003 in November 2023. While the very normal cost of Velo for the November generally remains around $0.003 Velo value gauge December 2023, the kind of normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward the finish of December 2023 in an especially huge manner. Velo could essentially be exchanging around in every practical sense, greatest worth of $0.004, with the really least expected cost of $0.003, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo kind of past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been diminished by 4.42% in its truly current worth, which in a real sense shows that Velo value expectation November 2023. Velo cost basically is supposed to reach between $0.003 to $0.003 in November 2023, while the truly normal cost of Velo for the November for the most part remains around $0.003 Velo value conjecture December 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0.003 toward the finish of December 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Assuming we generally look at the sort of current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a very significant manner. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Velo in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.07% in an unobtrusive manner. Velo especially has shown exceptionally kind of solid pretty potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to especially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that starting around 14 November 2023 Velo in a real sense is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo basically diminished by 54.112%, disposing of an incredible really normal amount of $0.003 from its ongoing worth. Further appearance, how by and large is Velo a wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an excellent fundamentally purchase and open door for sort of fast speculation, showing how Velo value expectation November 2023. Velo cost essentially is supposed to sort of reach between $0.003 to $0.003 in November 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of Velo for the November basically remains around $0.003 Velo value figure December 2023. The normal cost of Velo could basically go to $0.003 toward the finish of December 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is around 3.10%, and the cost generally coursed from a truly least genuinely normal cost of $0.003 to by and large most extreme truly normal cost of $0.003 in the in every practical sense recent days, which all things considered is very critical. In absolute most recent 4 months Velo especially has shown a developing pattern in a huge manner. Consequently, we basically believe that comparative pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period in an in every practical sense, huge way. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo really is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, or so they basically thought. The coin sort of is up by 27.40%, with the very greatest essentially normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around $0.002, and the especially least truly normal cost of in a real sense was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months. Exhibiting how the 90 days cost change explicitly is around 3.10%, and the value sort of flowed from a base truly normal cost of $0.003 to truly most extreme pretty normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, or so they fundamentally thought. Velo value figure 2023 facts. What will especially be Velo all things considered worth in 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo cost for the most part is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a really greatest degree of $0.004, with truly least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, which all things considered shows that in addition Velo can explicitly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.004. Exhibiting how Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Velo cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a kind of normal value level of $0.003, the normal extremely least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the all things considered current year ought to be $0.003, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Does Velo truly have a future, or so they especially thought? As far as value, Velo sort of has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to generally arrive at new levels. Especially further appearance how the 90